Okay, a little intro. Olga and I just left Colusa, flying in the valley with the winds apparently supposed to be really nice and quiet, but they're blowing at around 10 and 15 knots. So I wanted to show Olga the Sutter Buttes, which I'm kind of showing them to her from afar, and I'm trying to stay between the Sutter Buttes and the TFR. Sutter Buttes to my right and the TFR here to my left. We're actually heading down to Lincoln Airport right now to try and get some chow. And I've never been there before, so this will be my first landing at Lincoln. We're running into a little problem. Oh, no, look at that. I'm showing traffic now all of a sudden.
Oh, okay.
I was going to say, we're running into a little problem where we can't seem to pick up any traffic from our Stratus, but all of a sudden, I see traffic. At least I see one airplane. No, two airplanes. Okay, awesome. In the general vicinity of us, which is great. And the Stratus 2S actually was a gift from Olga a long, long time ago. And one of the conditions of her flying with me in the airplane, well, Olga will fly with me anyway, but this Stratus makes her feel much, much better once she found out that we don't necessarily always fly in controlled airspace under the watchful eye of ATC. Anyways, that's the plan. That's what we're doing right now. Just kind of coming around. I don't know if you can see it. Coming around the Buttes, just as we left Colusa, hauling ass down to Lincoln. They have a little restaurant up there we're going to try and check out. And then from there, we're going to have some tailwinds on the way back home to Concord. And I think I'll go ahead and record that flight as well. Anyways, let's fly and let's go on to Lincoln Airport. Hope you enjoy the video. That's what I always say. I say, oh, hope you enjoyed the video.
Colusa 9808 Juliet, departing 3-1, heading to Orville, Colusa.
Ah, he's going to Orville. So his departure is going to be along the long runs.
4 November Foxtrot, making left base for 3-4, Willow.
Aivan tosta немножко.
Colusa traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is taking runway 31 for a right crosswind departure, Colusa. All right, into the wind. And full power. Everything is in the green. Speed is alive. 50 knots, 60 knots. A little bit more. Here we go. Let's pull her off. Come on.
Willow 4 November Foxtrot, turning final 3-4, Willow.
Colusa traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is upwind, runway 31. I got the upwind traffic in front of me inside, Colusa. Colusa traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is turning right crosswind, runway 31. Will be a right crosswind departure, Colusa. Okay, he's turning 2. And traffic to Orville, what's your cruise altitude?
3,500 for 0 Juliet, heading to Orville.
Okay, yeah, we're going to stay below you, 9501 Whiskey. We're on crosswind runway 31 right now. Look at the updraft we're getting. We're at 1,000. Jesus, at 80 knots.
Left crosswind, 3-4, Willow.
Not too bad we're not going to get too much of them on camera, but that's okay. Stay away from them right now, it's pretty windy.
Colusa traffic, Yankhouse 37 kilos, left base 3-1, Colusa.
А Орвилл где?
Or actually, no, it's straight over there.
Okay.
Driver to Mooney, 63 Berkshire, turning left downwind, 33 left.
Lincoln Regional Airport. Automated weather observation. 1953. Zulu weather. Wind 250 at 8 visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 22 Celsius. Dew point 4. Altimeter 3001.
Okay, they're doing 250, but based on the traffic pattern here, it looks like they're doing left traffic. They're doing runway 33.
Lincoln Regional Airport. Automated weather observation. 1953. Zulu weather. Wind 250 at 8 visibility 10. Clear below 12,000.
Bye-bye,
Temperature 22 Celsius. Dew point.
And what's the CTAF for Lincoln?
130.
Yeah, I think I got the field on site.
Lincoln, radio check.
5x5. I've got the field in sight.
Where?
Straight ahead. Do you see the hangars, the white buildings? That's the one.
Oh, okay.
Lincoln traffic, radio check.
5x5.
Red left traffic, Sierra 552 Papa Golf is entering the left 45 for runway 33. Red left.
Yellow traffic 792, left base, runway 34, touch and go yellow.
And Lincoln traffic, 52 RB, just part 15, turning crosswind, and then into the downwind departing area to the north, Lincoln.
Lincoln traffic, Skylane 35 Quebec, turning left downwind for 15 Lincoln, full stop.
Lincoln traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is 3 to the west of the field. We'll stay at 2000. We'll be entering left downwind, overflying the field, left downwind, runway 15, full stop, Lincoln. That's so weird. Where's the runway? Oh, there's the runway. Okay. The runway is pretty well separated from the hangars and all of the services there.
For uniform also 61.
And Lincoln Air traffic, 52 RBs, it's departed 15 into the downwind to the north, last call, Lincoln.
Lincoln. And Lincoln traffic, Skylane 35 Quebec, turning left base 15 Lincoln, full stop.
Enjoy your flight.
Red left traffic, Sierra 552 Papa Golf is entering left downwind 33. Red left.
Wait.
Why that updraft directly over the field? Lincoln traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is 2200 overhead. We'll be entering on a right teardrop, 45 to the left downwind, runway 15, full stop, Lincoln.
Handle fingers.
Bird.
Oh.
And Lincoln traffic, 35 Quebec, turning final 15 Lincoln, full stop, Lincoln traffic.
All right, let's start descending.
Red left traffic, Sierra 552 Papa Golf.
Yellow traffic, RB620Q, Mike is 7 to the northeast.
Doesn't look like there's anybody ahead of me.
Yellow.
Huh?
Doesn't look like there's anybody ahead of me.
I think one on the ground.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lincoln traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is 2000, descending 1 mile to the east of the field. We'll be maneuvering for a 45 entry to the left downwind, runway 15, full stop, Lincoln.
Yellow traffic 792, left downwind, runway 34, touch and go yellow.
Touch and go yellow.
And Lincoln traffic, Skyline 35 Quebec, clear of 15 at Golf, taxi to fuel, Lincoln traffic.
Lincoln traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is on the 45 to the left downwind, runway 15, full stop, Lincoln. Here's the Buttes.
Yellow traffic 792, left base, runway 34, touch and go yellow.
$1,100. This is my pattern. 2,000 RPM. Lincoln traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is left downwind, runway 15, full stop, Lincoln.
Yellow traffic 792, final 34, touch and go yellow.
Yellow traffic, RV620, K Mike, left downwind 34, yellow.
With these high winds, let's go ahead and keep up our speed.
Yellow traffic, RV620, Q Mike, left base 34, full stop, yellow.
Yellow traffic 792, upwind 34, touch and go yellow.
Lincoln traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is turning left base, runway 15, full stop, Lincoln.
Yellow traffic, RV620, K Mike, base to final 34, full stop, yellow.
Aye.
Central traffic, community, 231 Delta Foxtrot, 5 south, inbound, RNAV 33, full stop, red line.
Yellow traffic 792, crosswind, left crosswind, runway 34, touch and go yellow.
Lincoln traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is turning final, runway 15, full stop, Lincoln. Okay, we're flaps 20.
Lincoln traffic, Cessna 3755 Lima, holding short, 15 Lincoln.
Let's slow down. Full flaps.
Yellow traffic 792, left downwind, runway 34, touch and go yellow.
High. Well, let's bleed it off. Let's bleed it off. Looking good. All right. We're gonna roll out. Very funky winds today, for sure.
Lincoln traffic, Cessna 3755 Lima, departing runway 15, gonna make a right turn to east, 15 Lincoln.
Lincoln traffic, Skyhawk 9501 is clear, runway 15 Lincoln.